In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zapier to Base44 2025, step by step. By the end, you'll have a secure working connection between your Base44 account and Zapier so you can automate tasks confidently. All you need is access to Base44 and Zapier, plus permission to view your Base44 API key. I'll walk slowly through the exact clicks and share a few quick troubleshooting tips along the way. First, let's grab your Base44 API key. Open Base44 and look for the Base44 icon at the top left of the screen. That opens your main menu. Choose Settings, then select Account. On the account page, you'll see your API key displayed. Copy it carefully to your clipboard. Treat this key like a password. Don't share it publicly and keep it in a secure place. If you manage multiple workspaces or environments, double check you're in the right one before copying the key, because Zapier will connect to whichever environment the key belongs to. Also, when you copy, avoid extra spaces. Those can cause authentication errors later. If your organization restricts access to keys, you may need an admin to grant you permission before you can view it. Next, switch to Zapier. From your Zapier dashboard, open App Connections. This is where all your authorized apps live. Click Add Connection, then search for Base44 and select it from the list. Zapier will prompt you for the key. Paste the API key you copied a moment ago into the field provided. Take a second to confirm there are no leading or trailing spaces, then continue. Click the button that says Yes, continue to Base44 or the equivalent confirmation shown. Zapier will verify the key and, when successful, your new Base44 connection will appear in the App Connections list with a connected status. If verification fails, recopy the key from Base44, ensure it hasn't expired or been rotated, and try again. That's it. The connection is set up. From here, you can start building automations that pull data from or send data to Base44 using your new connection. If you need to manage or remove the connection later, return to App Connections in Zapier to review its status, rename it for clarity, or reconnect with a refreshed key. Keeping your API key secure and rotating it periodically is a good security practice. Thanks for following along, and feel free to replay any section if you want to double check the clicks. You're now ready to connect Base44 to your Zaps and streamline your workflows.